we'll look at this CX20. One thing, we have the lift out guides for the trays. Also, this shows you our quad arm construction. This is all out of billeted stainless steel. Has little caps here that you can undo to get in for cleaning. These are our scrap accumulators. We use these on our Admirals and all our Rexler, all our other conveyor series. These are made very strong and out of very heavy duty stainless. That's so when the busboy's whacking these on the side of the trash can to get stuff out of it, they're not going to break bend. Because if they do, then they don't seat inside the machine properly. If they don't seat inside the machine, then debris will get past them and get clogged in your pumps and things like that. So we want these to be very solid. Also, if we can look down in here, you can see that integrated booster heater that we talked about. So that transfers heat into the wash tank. So it helps heat up the wash water and helps lower the energy consumption. All right. You can also see this integrated booster heater from the front. This heat core technology. There's 3 heating elements. There's your in and out water, and then there's your thermostat and your high limit. All right here, okay? All right there. This also can be pulled out, taken out, replaced, worked on, right there. These are non-proprietary motors. Like, you get those motors anywhere. A lot of the parts on here are just standard parts you can get in from a standard Grainger catalog. Our control panel, that swings away, which is nice, so you can get right to the parts. Easy for servicing. So all your parts are right here to get to. You can get to most everything you need to do to service it from the front, which is incredible for the servicer, the people working on this when they're installing it. All right here. You can also look at this. This has got your cutaways, so it'll miss your dish racks. So when your dish racks, if you go to corner, you don't have to worry about interfering with the dish tables. And here's your rack awareness switch. That's some of the big features of this unit that make it so different than everybody else. It'll make it easier to work on. It's made out of military grade stainless. It's made out of heavy gauge stainless, and it's made to last. Having more questions? Consult in Singer or get a hold of your local representative. We're in our factory looking at the beginnings of a Admiral 66. So the dishes are going to go from left to right on this, okay? This is your tank, all welded up, heavy gauge stainless. Okay, this is your pre-wash tank. This is your wash tank. Final rinse will go right here. You can see these holes in the front of it. These hoses are for your integrated booster heaters, your heat core technology, your heating elements down here. This is an Admiral 66 getting ready to go through testing. Once again, you can see our non-proprietary motors on this, our heat core technology. So this goes from one booster heater to the other booster heater. The same booster heaters that are on our CX20 is also used on our Admiral series. Telescoping doors. That heavy duty frame we talked about earlier. LED lights. And you can see it's made pretty sturdy. It's built to last. Here's a finished product of an Admiral 44. Once again, those telescoping doors. That way they don't swing out and get in the way when you have traffic when you're trying to work on this thing. Look at this chain. That's our chain for our drive. That's a heavy duty stainless steel chain. That is crazy. Our wash arms. Super heavy duty. Stainless steel. Have retainers to hold the caps in place so you don't lose them if you have to clean them. Color coded. White for white curtain. Green for green curtain. Makes it simple. A great product. We don't need to have a lot of complicated things going on with it. Also, this has a 20-inch opening. So for your 18 by 26 sheet pan, will fit right through there, no problem. This is a half size sheet pan, so this is an 18 by 13, but you can see an 18 by 26 has no problems with clearance going through that. Some people might even like to use these little, what they call sheet pan racks. You can see, no problem with clearance. One size fits all. These vent cowls are adjustable. There's a couple screws in the bottom here that you can move these around, shuffle them around if you need to make some adjustments to the current ventilation system. Easy, clean, simple solutions that work. Thank you.